JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Beaufort, Georgia. So obviously a little after 11. This is a repeat customer. It's actually one of our customers' mother is moving into this home, and they wanted us to do the carpet before they moved in. There isn't really anything to see. The carpet looks like it's brand new, although there's lots of indentations from furniture. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough. There's 2 bedrooms on one side, the living room, dining room, the little hallways, which we're not charging for because they are shorter than 15 feet. We got the master with a little sitting room, and of course the master closet. There is also a bonus room and the stairs going up to the bonus room. So this is probably the older carpet in the house is my guess. Even though it's also in good shape, it could use a restretch, though. You can see from the wrinkles there. So like I said, it's a little after 11. We'll do this. Won't be much to see on the after video, but we'll shoot it anyway. Technically, we could probably count that as the next room because it is a sitting room. We're going to throw that in because, like I said, it's a repeat customer. So stay tuned. As you can see, it's about 12:15. Just finished up this carpet cleaning job. As I mentioned before, there's not anything really to see. Let's see, this was 7 areas. So this is a $280 job. Took right about an hour or so. Used about 2 gallons of cleaner. We did do, I mean, technically that's a sitting room, as I mentioned before, but you know, it's nice to give people freebies, especially repeat customers, and that doesn't cost you anything, so to speak, but it certainly does help because you give people free areas. They certainly appreciate it. It didn't charge for either hallway, which typically hallways 15 feet or shorter are included in areas already being cleaned, and both of these hallways are relatively short. Again, repeat customer. That's how you keep repeat customers, is you keep them happy. And as you know, it's easier to keep customers than it is to find new customers. And here is the stairs up to the bonus room. Again, not much to see up here. The fans are all on to help with the drying, so it should be dry in an hour or 2. This is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. 404-500-9853. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business if you're interested in starting your own carpet or floor care business. We have a manual, operations manual with marketing, etc., etc. It's $500. Tells you everything you need to know about marketing and low moisture carpet cleaning. I know there are some guys out there who live and die by the truck mount, but we've never used one, and we're happy to provide a low moisture carpet cleaning alternative to the soak and soap carpet cleaners. Appreciate you watching. Again, 404-500 on the web, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. And as always, be kind. We are in a new year, 2021, so let's get this thing done.